Hi guys, Barnes here, and today we are going to learn how to frontside shove it. Hopefully you are comfortable rolling around, and that's all you need to start with this trick. We are not going to pop the board, so you don't have to worry about that. I recorded this first person view to help someone to understand this trick better and have a different point of view. So before you start to jump into any trick, it's always good to just roll around and start to warm up a bit, just pushing around, do a manual or a couple backside shove it, whatever feels good for you. So the foot position for this trick, my front foot is on the bolts, maybe slightly behind it, and my back foot is on the tail, a bit more in the heel side bucket. So that can help you a bit push the board in front of you and complete the frontside 180 with the board. For this trick you only use your back foot, so basically you push your tail with your back foot in front of you. Don't push it down or try to pop, because that will be another trick similar to this that is called the frontside pop shove it. So your front foot is there only to catch the board and stop the board from over rotating. Make sure you always look down and wait for your board, then when it turns, stop the rotation, and if it wasn't perfect, don't stress about it, just balance it out. Obviously it's not going to be perfect all the time, so just relax and roll with it, and yeah, that's about it. You learned how to do a frontside shove it. You can leave your comments if you need help with your frontside shove it, and I will get back to you. Thank you guys for watching, stay tuned for the next trick on Thursday. You can subscribe if you like the video, follow me on different socials, but as always, the most important is to go skate and have fun.